Hey, welcome to another Valley Forged. Welcome back, everybody. I am super excited. Getting ready to go on a trip, which I'm going to take you with me. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to be checking out some ways people do lasers in different parts of the world. Lots of fun stuff coming up. But business, wanted to make a video before I left because I found a channel that I really learned a lot from when it comes to one more way to make a living with a laser. And, this is possible to start with a diode laser. In fact, the first job I did like this was with a diode laser, and it was fantastic. Made great profit and got something that I could make money every year consistently. Good profit. And in fact, the profit only gets better. And you can get other jobs from this. So it's kind of incredible. And I think one of the things that's made me able to go on a 3 month trip like I'm doing now is the fact that I have many ways of making money with my laser or about lasers or anything like that. And so I really want to pass all of those on. I want to start hearing feedback from you that this is working, or, make sure that if you've watched all of my videos on how to start a laser business and you have worked on this and actually spent a full year and you feel good about, hey, I am doing what I can, let me know how that success is going. I am going to continue to add to this. There are some more things that I really feel that are important that I tell everybody and that I have not yet brought up. And it's because I make so many videos on actually how to get that business. And maybe there is more to it that doesn't have anything to do with lasers. And I want to add those things too. But let's get to this. This isn't my picture, by the way. I just liked it, so I just put it up. I found this channel, Hometown Laser. Now, I have contacted this gentleman, and he knows that I'm making a video on it. He's busy doing some sort of project. And of course, I'm getting ready for my trip. I was hoping to actually have him on the show. But maybe we could do this at some other time. But there is really good information here.
Okay, today I want to talk about how you can create predictable income through partnerships with fundraisers.
This one here, relying on craft fairs is holding back your laser and crafting business. Now, I see both sides of that because a lot of the business that you're going to get is from doing craft shows, even the kind of businesses that he's talking about. And this is why I literally made this. You all know I have lots of great files on Etsy, all the files you would probably need to start your laser business. And these are the things that I sell myself. It's not like I'm saying, hey, go try and sell something that I don't already sell and hasn't already been successful for me. But this particular one I made for people just starting into the laser business, and that is to get more business. And it funnels perfectly into what he is talking about if you're doing craft shows to be able to get the kind of business that he's doing, which is a lot of it is fundraising and doing fundraisers for schools and doing things like that. Now, in the past that I did coasters that were for Stanford to give away as their gift, right, for graduation. And it's an unbelievable, perfect way to do a yearly business. And if you get 10 or 12 of these things, this is another maybe $10,000 or $12,000 you could make every year off of this reoccurring business. And I got that doing a show, right? I got that from a craft fair. And as long as you can show that you can do this sort of thing and kind of throw this into their thought process when they're coming to your table, because almost everybody works somewhere, almost everybody is going to be giving away things for this or that or awards or anything. So if you have something showing that you, even if you just had a printout of the things that you can do when people come and they buy stuff from your table, that you can say, oh, hey, I want to do that. Now, why don't I do that more? That's not the concentration of what I wanted to do. Now, the only reason I'm not still doing Stanford is because I don't live there anymore. And it wasn't cost effective for me to be shipping all of that stuff to them and, showing them samples and all that. I mean, it probably was cost effective. I just personally just didn't want to do it. And I think that that's kind of nice when you get to that point where you could be just like, you know what? It's not the hassle. I just don't want to go through it. Even though it was a great job, made great money, and I think it turned out really well. I did 2 years, and then I moved somewhere, and it just didn't seem to make sense anymore. But it taught me the process, and it taught me that this is an absolutely great way to make money. And if you are living in an area you don't travel nearly as much as I do, this would make a lot of sense. And if it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. I think that's one of my best friends always used to say. But getting back to this channel, Hometown Laser, lots of great information on that. And even if this isn't going to be your focus, I think it could be a great way to supplement your income and a way to get your laser business going and for you to have some consistency because different times of the year do better for different things. So to be able to have something that comes around like graduation time sort of earlier in the year to be working on is could be super helpful for you. And there are going to be dips in when your sales are. And yeah, sure, you're going to make a ton of money during Christmas. And then maybe you have a little bit of dip. I mean, the only thing you really have is Valentine's Day, right? Well, that's okay because you made good money during Christmas. You're probably not going to be, worried about it that much. But then now you've got something a few months in, you got Easter, graduations, all these sorts of things that really can pick up that business and get you through till Christmas. So it's just something that I really enjoyed watching and listening to. And anyway, I'll put a link down below so that you can get to this channel. It is called Hometown Laser. Another thing that I wanted to mention is I talked about the dip in the year, but it's also there is a dip in your business. And this is where you've got to push through. If you truly love doing it and you're going to get started and things are going to go kind of well, but you are going to get to this point where it's just kind of difficult and you feel like you're not getting anywhere. And pushing through that point is, and maybe it's a good time just to take a step back sometimes and just, get your imagination flowing, get watching these videos that I do kind of get you inspired. And it doesn't even have to be about lasers at all. You could just watch inspirational videos, which I do all the time. I love to watch a Jim Rohn or something, and it just gets me reinvigorated to get back on it. But, this is life. Things go up and things go down, and you just got to be able to get with them. But and I've mentioned before, I'm always working for Christmas myself because that's where I make big money. And then, I like to go away. So I just thought I would mention that I'm going to actually try to bring more and more ways. It helps you, it helps me, we help each other. But if you leave comments and stuff below and what has worked for you so that other people as they're, watching my videos can look in the comments and they can say, oh, hey, here's another idea. Here's something I didn't think of. And not only that, you can teach me. I want to learn more. I love lasers. Come on. This is just something I love doing. And so I'm mixing travel and lasers because these are the two things that I want to do in my life. But you got to figure out what you want and how you can kind of build your business around the lifestyle that you want to have in the end. I mean, a good old quote, it's It's not what you get, it's who you become. And I aim to have a business that can grow with what I want to become, if that makes any sense for you. But anyhow, I am out of here. This will be my last video from the United States for a while. But like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff, and follow me, and we're going to have some fun traveling and doing lasers. All right. Love y'all.